Alright, so I got my pan underneath it. We're going to take this 36, pop this bolt right here loose. Engine's nice and warm. If these are ever seized on there, you need to start it up. You're going to have to let it run. Otherwise you take a chance on breaking this plastic housing and then you're in a whole nother world of hurt. You don't want to be there. Alright. It's terrible. So we're going to take our T45. Do not try to use the T40. If you end up stripping these out, it can be a pain in the neck. So it does have the normal gasket on there, but I also did throw like a rubber O-ring on it. Got to see the magic. Now we just gotta let this drain, and we're gonna let it sit for a few and fill it back up.
Okay, now you must pull gasket out. We have a gasket out. Alright.
There's no specific tab that this needs to go to. You just need to make sure that this piece is facing outwards. I'm going to slide it down into that groove just for safe measure. And take my pick. I'm going to just slide it around, pushing on that gasket. Okay. And then now we will take our new filter. We're going to put that on there. I don't know if you heard it click or not, but it clicked into place, so now we're good.
We'll go ahead and put our drain bolt back in. Where's my socket? Get our socket on there. So that is, now that's tight, so we're good to go. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, now we come right here and pop off this little rubber O-ring. And we'll dip our finger in here just so we can get it a little bit oily-ish. Makes it a little bit better when you're putting it on. I'm going to get that slid on all the way around. Make sure it's in the right spot. You don't want to leak. Now, alright, now we're going to go ahead and put our new filter in. 36 millimeter. Now you're gonna get it to where it's tight, all right? Then you're gonna take a couple, just a little bit of a push on it until you feel it lock in. Now there is a slow, painstaking process of dumping this oil in here, and I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Just gonna let it run for a second, let everything cycle through. Then we're gonna check it, top it off, and leave. I've been here like I think 30 minutes over already. Oh, trying to find the time to mess with my cars.